Hey, what's up guys? My name is Myron, and in this video we're going to be using this chicken shredder for the first time ever. I just unboxed this about a day ago and have not gotten a chance to use it yet. Today that's changing. I'm going to be using it for the first time. I got some hot chicken that's just coming out of the Instant Pot ready to shred. So we're going to try it out and see how we like it. All right, we got our chicken on here. All I need to do is just press this top down and keep pressure on it and just spin it around, and the prongs on the inside will do the rest. That is just effortless. So a couple things that I really like about this one: it has nice big knobs on the lid to give you a better grip of it. They're very easy to keep a hold of. It also has extraordinarily good grips on the bottom to keep it sitting on the countertop. There's no slipping or anything like that going on. And so I definitely am pleased with this purchase. I love it so far. It is way easier to shred chicken like this than doing it with two forks like I had been used to doing it. So definitely gets a thumbs up from me.